Hi, welcome to Francois Maths class. Today we are going to consider Core Maths WASSCE 2025 Private Candidates January-February. And we are going to look at the question number 2, which reads, the sum of the squares of two consecutive odd positive integers is 74. Find the numbers. So that is our question. So we are going to solve this question. But to get a lot of questions like this, you need to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Francois Maths Class. So let's go to the question. So with this, we are saying that the sum of the squares of two consecutive odd positive integers. So if you want to consider odd numbers or odd positive integers, let's say the first one will be 1. So if it's 1, it means the next odd number will be 3. The next odd number will be 5. So you realize that the common difference or the difference between the odd numbers is 3 minus 1 is 2. 5 minus 3 will also be 2. So the difference will be 2. So let's assume that our first number is x. So if our first number is x, it means that the second number will be x plus 2. X plus 2. So getting this, it means that from the question it says the squares of these consecutive odd numbers. So the squares of x squared, the squares of the sum, so plus x plus 2 all squared should give us 74. So having this, the rest is for us to expand. So we have x squared plus x plus 2 squared means x plus 2, x plus 2, and it should give us 74. So with this, we have x squared plus x times x is x squared plus x times 2 will give us 2x plus another 2x plus 4 should give us 74. So when you simplify this, we have 2x squared plus 4x plus 4 is equal to 74. So we need to bring the 74 here, having 2x squared plus 4x. The 74 coming here will come and subtract. So we have 4 minus 74 will give us minus 70 is equal to 0. But this one, you realize that 2 is common among us. So we can cancel or we can divide each of them by 2. So 2 dividing that will give us x squared plus 2x minus 35 is equal to 0. So at this stage, we need to factorize. So in factorizing, because it's a quadratic form, so we need to factorize. So we need two numbers that multiplies to give you negative 35, but add to give you 2. And the numbers you can look at 7 and negative 5. When you multiply this one, you get negative 35, but when you add, you get 2. So we have x squared plus 7x minus 5x minus 35 equal to 0, because you use this number to replace the 2. When you add them, you get positive 2. So x out, x plus 7. The common factor here becomes negative 5. X plus 7 is equal to 0. So we have x plus 7, then this one, x minus 5, is giving us 0. So x plus 7 is equal to 0. Then x minus 5 is also equal to 0. So with this, you can say that x is equal to negative 7 and our x is 5. So getting this, we have, the question said the positive integer. The positive integer. So when you want to consider the positive, then therefore our x is equal to 5. So having our x to be 5, then we need to look at the numbers. Our x is 5. So the first number is 5. Then the second number becomes 5 plus 2. Becomes 5, 7. So the numbers that the question is demanding format becomes 5 and 7. 5 and 7. You can even test this and verify if your answer is right. So when you pick 5, 5 squared plus, now this one becomes 7 squared. So 5 squared will give us 25 plus 7 squared is 49. And the answer will be 74. So it means our answer is right. Thank you for following whatever we did. Continue to subscribe to Francois' math class. If you have anything to, you can also send me a WhatsApp message on 0246 426343. Have a nice day and bye-bye.